emisangirekano ya gisiasa, brand activation, ose emisangirekano ya cooperative egatiye chirudisho chinde chinyinge. Bono nigo twakoretere track yibwateri bagariya eyekerero na bwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjukire ligo kwana nechinguru na bwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Janjere chi MC na bwigo track yana boko jitumika asogo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokoriri wito chinsemo aobu na Bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoniji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya. Street ya goteka babu na street endeyonsi chingaki ubunjeli bwago nebiasara byakinirwe aka esimu terasi namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Wirevia nainde karibu sana sikiunga jinsa inye chavo na maragoba titukeriga ria Jumapili jengoro kwa Matilda Obaigwa cross bimanyerero dere Wilson Bakori karanse ketunyara gukomanya asenjira ere yavene na kwaigo injira yobukangaru ubibi wechiombe wabere bukoreto bose bukwanderwa muno chinsemo asorongorwa gusi nekira bono litukulelero posa oyombo anyara kubwatwa n'engombe yibire kurwasi chinsemo cha Karachuonyo North ayo ose yiga yakorekana ase chinsemo cha Mugunga kutoka Imea Machoge County ya Kisii umusa oyo nigo anyara kubekwa biara na bwigo mamenye na bwigo bwatani ompo bwate ayo balengi gusanga na mulikito Gilbert Kobi autumania
nime ase ekenyoro kiamaya ase nsemo ya omusasa ime ya Mugonga ase musao ya omwanya koba kubeko byara aso gutoka n'engombe y'obwibi yanya koba kuigwa kuru ase nsemo ya Karachuonyo umusao yoni ya otebekana koba n'abantu barenge batatu abanya ko bago nyoka bichuko nyuma yo kumirwa n'engombe y'obwibi yiya konya koba ikurigwa kurwa North Karachuonyo ase nsemo yo Yugis.
Mimi ni mzee wa chief North Kanyajua. Ng'ombe anaibiwa kwa area yangu. Ndio tunakutana na hii watu kama iko na njia hapa alikuwa watu watatu na ng'ombe. Mmoja anaenda pande wa juu, mmoja anaenda pande hii ndio tunashika.
Okay, naitwa Wycliffe Okoth Njika.
Unasema?
Naitwa Wycliffe Okoth Njika. Natoka Rongo District, Kanga Village. Tulikuwa tumekimbiza ng'ombe yenye iliibiwa eneo ya Kanga. Hiyo ng'ombe ilikuwa imeibiwa muda wa saa 8:30 usiku. Tukawa tumegundua muda wa saa 9. Tukafuatilia, tukaenda Riosiri. Kuna wenye tuliacha Riosiri wakiwa wanaitafuta, si tukakuja huku juu kwa hii nini yenye ilikuwa inaendelea hapo juu. So tukakaa huko na njaa juu venye tu
soko.
Hiyo soko. So tulikuwa njaa juu venye tulitoka saa 9 usiku bila chochote. Tulikuwa tunasema acha tu ikae, sisi tunarudi nyumbani. Ndio kufika njiani tukakutana na wenye walikuwa na hiyo ng'ombe.
Kulengana n'abantu barenga Sorogongo nigo bagikiriye korweke gabagotera buna enje tarirengia asaba sabonyo anje gwagwesokia bagwesoya senchira yo bwibi bwechombe na etambo ngitagira nyakobe ikumukiwa nigo bonse banyako bakubwatera na gwesoya mwasogotera buna ekenege korwo kireke bege kwa tobosoku asensemo ya Mugonga na nigo kyarengete chiru ya Mugonga kolende bono ekero baikerwa na abo banyanyimbo ba ogembo banyako bakumuira.
Ni nini ungependa kuambia vijana ambao wako na hii tabia ya wizi sasa? Mambo ya wizi hii. Mambo ya wizi hii kama ilikuwa Bogere, hivi mtu angekufa kitambo. Sisi hapana cheza na mtu mnaitwa mwizi. Kazi ya wizi sisi hapana taka.
Sama dia tanggo kumatori ndo msema community box ni kita sub county. security awareness ona yasikizo kazi ngombe chiko bantu batayikomanya nambara bila kinkuru yaonyerega wana toka gochaka gotara butu oiko kumira asharie bori maokaye
abanyene cyombe kigani kubanya ko bakweresera igoro yo boyibanya ko bakwegana so mu cyobo igoro yo boyibwe cyombe nabo igo mumuro umusayo nyako bagogeresera nka cyombe janya ko bachiko guguru musumu cyobo.
Ng'ombe isi ya kwanza, hii ng'ombe ni ya 3 kwenda kwa boma moja, na hapo kwetu kuna uwizi ya ng'ombe, si ya kwanza, zimeibiwa na zikiibiwa zinaenda kabisa. Hata hatukujua eti tunaweza pata ng'ombe mbali. Okay. Tulikuwa tuna suspect ingawa inaweza kuwa zinaenda Riusiri, zinaenda kwa bucha, kumbe zinakuja huku ng'ambo.
Cyo saba saye bale semya kene kebanya ko bagwetanga kurwase ebikoro by'ubuyibwe cyombe nabo na bano gotema banya ko bagotema cyombe kirene amachiko. Nararengi kurwase nsemo ya machoge wa burabu. Ngori batereka tembe kurwase nseme yiga Maritane Gilbert Kobi.
Abasiahe niko bagenderete gusegeto kuraiga sorogongora gusifanyare wesokia sobonke ili kugendera kwelikia una abakicikura nabo igo banyara gukora umukia na wesonania asobwaki wechikura ili gochora abarai barabaya ikiombe kiagusi Youth for Youth niko bono kechagete umorobelyo yiga ili kwenda kibuna abasahe banyare gutwara libaga lyoko leta uburai obiyaso rwongo rwakusi.
Voter education, whereby we teach them on how to know who is the right leader, what are the qualities to look at. It's not a matter of just voting, that so long as you've taken the card, you go and vote for whoever that will give you money. No. This time round, we want youths and every voter to vote in good leaders with the good leadership qualities. Actually, we chip into our pockets the little that we have, we bring it together because we realized the moment that someone comes to fund you, they'll always order you. What they want is what you will do. But when you fund yourself, it becomes much easier.
These are guys who have been raised here within. They have gone to schools. They have participated in several leadership stages, and we don't have any doubt that if we support them, they'll do good or bring transformation in our society. Mind our parents, our sisters and brothers on the importance of voting, on the importance of having registered as a voter, so that we'll create something different from what people know that youths do say but they don't vote on the material day. We are sure this coming election, it will shock many. People have been with this norm of youth not voting, but this pattern through this movement, we trust the process. The end result matters.
Tigana nayo mwanasiasa umanyikanite muna James Nyakangi oyobo igo ori murai bwa bonchorere me ye county ya Nyamira nigo bono anyarire ko basegeta abasaye nabo igo abanyina kubwaterana ase byombe ebike egento kira bakonye kwegendereria ase obugima bwabo nechuga kecho nigo bono anyara koira libaga nakomocha oburai borabisi asaorokire buna egati yamagendero kuse magendero tarabaka gwikiraniwa kurengana buna abarai bare abisi banyarete koria chira.
Asa Maria Tagoro James Nyakangi umurai wa wafanyabiashara na endo mwanasiasa ukobori ogerogia MCA wa township rero natara kocha komere kiombe kya bangina bakoro kugilameras abana bangina ba township bari bakore biashara ande bakiramo kobeka kibesi abama semer ground na gusira na se biashara abo asere sector njengora na abo atomogoko na abafanyabiashara bamindoga mubale na ende bune bintu byakongere bandete gusira na gukora biashara na gusikana moti chingaje chingo dada gusabanga abasaye bonsi na onya baswati ababeke boleke baendere kubwata chikura ande bachamo banya gukora biashara yasenga ke Kenya bugima buna bwakongere kotata abantu babwate vision bakora biashara buya ande babwate chikura sobonge bache bachora abarayi beriso barabakorera amandero asebusiye to inje nasoa amagana siasa 2022 koborio borai we town yete ya Nyamira kiagera ngorigere libuya Kenya ngima ndobwate chi county 47 e county yete ya Nyamira e town yete ya Nyamira nerere maega pi kiagera chi county chonsi origere libuna Bosongo ne Kinete Kisumu Mesete Nairobi Chirebuya Nakuru lakini origere Nyamira county enga chirijano distant nande chitobwete ekina kiagera ngarigere ngando gotigara maega labda barai bali baro babu atibirengere byo kinie town na mbama itimangana biasara mbama itimangana oborai bara aligere mutumondo ngachanga tiganso ijuna jemu na eteira na roseri chisemi jwakali na akorere biasara na araira abafanyi biasara manyete town yengiye ganeti town yetu neta techipara chieta machila mitali chira frodi chichamaga chira myase biasara bira iguru gochimaya dotagere chita choke totware 24 hours economy ase town yetu amacha abe kukira ase buna twaleta Nyarwasco abandu mbabone tikwenda roche babone ro twara amache iga ase town bakonyo chibasari echaira Nyamira chibwende koirana tosira abana bali abangai koru ase mechemeke basome bachiko baba nene buna ndwa kinye town nebinde binge biri bitayo nabiageranga so around eri bende onyichake around paka toire na tomesi Nyamira
na Linda Mwananchi kurwase Rugongo rwa Gusini gobono besokirie no kwemurunganiria ugukina kweriguririo bugima kubwa muno batukamake makegaye serikali koralia ugukina kweriguriria maguta ose kyombekere kya April na ba ukwana kurwase umuchi Busongo ni gobono banyare kworokia kugechigwa kwabo ase amangana gendete gukorekana mbeye serikali ase batebire abasaye na baesokirie bwegomba kwate ribaga ryokora matuko arebusio.
Yes, I am Frida Onduso. I'm here in Gusii region. Pamoja na my youths from Linda Mwananchi. This is a national representation. For a long time, the youth have been just but a decoration in the political processes of this country. We have been told that we have to swallow the tranquilizing pill of gradualism, that gradually we will get leadership. Gradually, fuel prices are going to go down. But just yesterday, the government has blatantly ignored the voice of the common Mwananchi by adding mafuta by 40 shillings. It has never been heard, and we are not going to condone it. 40 shillings means we are cutting out the very people the government purports to represent from any economic processes of this country. We have people at the Mamamboga level. We have our parents working, and as youths, we are very humiliated. It seems hard work does not reward. It is not rewarding, and it's very humiliating to have the working class, people that have gone to school and yet they lack employment, as the young people being told that gradually, someday, sometime, with all this ambiguity, that one day we might take power and maybe, just maybe, you will let us lead. And when we speak, what do they say? They say we have become rebellious and disrespectful. So here is our statement. We are going to be rebellious as long as it is going to serve the people of this great nation that we care so much about. We are the group that is going to live the longest with the decisions you are making today. And that is why we are saying that we are not just asking to be part of the conversations. We are not just asking to come to the negotiation table. We are telling you very sternly today that we are the table. Ama namna gani?
Yes. Same for the youth of this country to realize that the time to be leaderless is over. The time to be formless is over. The time to be partyless is over. It is time to politically align yourself. It is time to look for a leader, look for a party which you and the ideologies of that party marry and become a member of a movement. And the Linda Mwananchi movement is the only movement that recognizes the young people.
Mugonyo bo murai asikia magia Jubilee muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ekiro achaka kosekirare sesawari yae korwa gusigo cia umuchi wa Nairobi nigo anyara gutenena na gusangana bamenyi be county ya Bomet nechinga kecho nigo aborokia guseniga anyara gusangana bro kirangerere kiae kyokone kyabuna serikali ere avisite guchikogendera inchiria buna eye.
Lakini tunasema one time. Haya, Bomet harambe. Bomet harambe. Bomet mnaniambia namna gani? Hapa Bomet ni nini? Sasa kama nyinyi Bomet mko wanta, mimi nikaa hivi wapi? Sisi wote tuko wanta. Sawa? Asante sana. Sasa ninawaahidi na ninawaomba nyinyi ni ndugu zangu. I love you so much. Pamoja tuhakikishe kwamba tumezungumza maneno yetu. Ile siku nitakuja kuongea, sio namna hiyo. Nitakuja kukaa chini tuongee vile watu wanaongea wakiwa kwa familia. Tumekubaliana? Basi asanteni sana. Mungu na wabariki na tutakutana mtajua.
Muraibu kiamahagia ODM museneta wa kaunti ya Siaya Muske Oburu Odinga nigo anyare kwera muna ere nigo alemara gusinigatirire bukongo asukoni kimuna onyare korai kiamaikio asinchira endonge kaukwana chingaki ODM yarenge usanga negati abateneneri kurwasa rugongo rwa Luonyanza Muske Oburu nigo anyara kwera muna ere talikorosa naboigo nigatebire bali babiri bakumugikire muna onyare kogota takora kiamaikio tevire na wati chinguru na boigo bosemia obura konyi kiamba ya ODM.
We are very clear and we don't care about people whose agenda is to remove an individual. That Ruto must go. So if Ruto goes, so what? If Ruto goes, so what? So the question of Ruto must go is not our agenda. Those who are on that path. But I must say that those who are saying Linda something else they are our people. They are members of our party. But they have forgotten one thing, that in a democracy there must be discipline. You cannot just talk against the party policy and you still expect to hold high office in the same party. You cannot. You cannot. You think we are weak. We think we are weak. You think Oburu is old. You think Oburu is weak. I can assure you I am not weak. Old is gold. Yes. And you people should just, if they want to fly, they can fly. But if they want to come back to the party, we shall admit them, but readmit them. But they must know that when they come with a tail which is a coiled tail, and they cannot think that they will start from the top. They will not start from the top. And I want to say that we know the bay of Mafuta is due. It's high, and our people are suffering. This is an international phenomenon which is happening because of some war in the Middle East. But we are going to approach our government. We are going to approach President Ruto, and we also have our Minister of Finance here, John Mbadi.
Wacho morire na turakorera wasensemo yekionga korinde nyoko wate eri kuvavna vande aiga kubwena kwa bwango na habari basiriri na bamwabo Nyasaye abagate twara obutukubya twara imaragwa wingi yanchinguru kwa Matilda Obaigwa Elvis Manyara koleteri chibichana Mario Gasinchira engikirano bakubwatirana nere Wilfred Matundra kuri wasensemo yebimanyiriro nere Wilson Makori arengaiga ase ribaga riaye Cyrus Nyakundi twara maragwa wingi na bwego kugendera gusanga na Getembe TV chinga kichonsi